Hello and welcome to Tocca's virtual event platform. This short instructional video will explain how to access and use Tocca's presentation or moderator user interface. We strongly recommend that you use a Chrome browser for this function, as it has the most advanced features and ease of use characteristics of any browser that you may otherwise use. The event organizer will provide you with important information to allow you to get to this screen. You will have a URL that you enter into the address bar, which will give you access to the room from which you will be presenting. You will then enter your username and a password which you will be provided, which will give you access to the presentation room. So I'll enter that information here, and we arrive in the presentation user interface. Let's take a look around this screen. As you can see, that there's a presentation window for video controls. There's another window for chat interactions, and the upper right-hand corner is a pull down that lets you select the room or the track that you will be presenting on. It's very important that you make sure you're presenting in the track or in the room to which you have been assigned. This option is only necessary if you are presenting in multiple rooms. To access the video controls, you as the speaker and the moderator have the same sets of controls. So typically, the presenter will activate the microphone and be on camera at the same time by turning on the camera. In order to start the presentation, you can share your screen, clicking on the button on the left side. It gives you access to a number of options where you can share your entire screen, an application window, or just a single tab. I'm going to select an application window, and I'm going to pick a PowerPoint presentation, and I'm going to share that. Okay, and then I can cycle through the presentation. And at the end of my presentation, I stop sharing by clicking on the Stop Sharing button, which takes me back to the presentation window, where I can be on camera. If I want to share a streaming video, I can go to the lower right corner, click on these three dots, and click on the Share YouTube Video. What I always like to do is to preload the video that I'll be using, which enables me to just click in the URL window and select the video that I want to share, click the share button, and that preloads the video for me, and then I can start the video. When the video is over, I simply go to the controls, stop the YouTube video, and remove it from the screen. What the moderator may want to do, should you decide to record a session at the beginning of the session, to again use the video controls, start the recording. And what the moderator might also want to do is respond to chats in real time by using this chat entry box here for responses. Okay, at the end of the session, you want to stop the recording.
Recording has stopped.
And at this point, the moderator may want to put up a end of session slide that any attendees who are lingering in the session can see, with instructions on what to do next. To exit, you click the Log Out button, or to expand the options on the left, you click on the hamburger button, and then log out. Thank you for your attention.